We do not take prisoners, we shoot with raised hands. The armed forces of Ukraine captured a 76th Guards Air Assault Pskov paratrooper who told about the criminal orders the Russian command gave them. No prisoners should be taken, everyone should be shot even with their hands raised.
Да. Призван был мобилизован в Псковскую дивизию, да? Да. Я понял. И сколько у вас там таких молодых?
4 роты, даже больше.
4 роты? Угу. Что касается наших пленных, сказали наших пленных, короче, вы в плен берете, да?
Да, расстреливают.
Понятно. То есть даже если руки подняли вверх, сказали расстреливать, да?
Даже если без автоматов, без броников идут.
Понятно.
Another oil refinery is on fire in Russia. This one belongs to Lukoil. This is the work of Ukrainian mortar unit west of the village in the Bakhmut area. The identified positions and infantry of the enemy were accurately destroyed by 3 mortar shots. And this is demonstration of shots of Mk-44 Bushmaster 2 automatic cannon in 30mm caliber, on Dragoon Striker armored personnel carriers. Programmable projectile detonation over the trenches. Soon on Russian positions. And again footage from Turkey earthquake. Even at ground zero, the shaking power is tremendous. Guys, donate, the situation in Turkey is dire.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.